with a new hair tutorial, guys. So for this install, this is a crochet hair install, and I need to tell you guys about this hair, guys, because this is, trust me, I'm giving you the plug. I'm giving you the plug to save some money. So this specific hair that I'll be using today, guys, and remember it's a crochet install. I've purchased this hair in March 2019. Like, seriously, it's been over 2 years, guys, that I've purchased this hair. I purchased it on divatress.com, and the hair is called FreeTress Braids 2X medium box braid, and this is in the 30-inch. And the hair color that I used or have been using is the burgundy. So this is the hair, guys. This is the hair. No, not this one. This is the hair. So this is the hair, guys, that I have been using for quite some time. I probably reused these hair around 5 to 6 times already in the space of the 2-year span. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and install this hair. So let's go. Half of my hair has already been done, and the method that I used was the braid illusion, the connecting. So this is what I currently have. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the next half of my hair. I'll just show you guys, give you guys a quick view.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to.
Alright, guys, so I'm finished with the braid pattern. So this is what it looks like. Turn to the side, and let me show you guys the back as well. So for this hair sticking out, I'm just gonna take my crochet needle and just stick it in between my braids. Alright, so y'all, basically what I'm gonna go ahead and do is to just do majority of my hair, and once I'm closer to the top, then I'll come back, guys.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.
Alright, guys, so I've finished majority of my hair at the back. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did the install. Alright, so here I have the crochet here. You can see the hook will be able to fit right in. So I'm gonna open my latch, put it under the hair, and I'm gonna close the latch, pull it through gently, and then take the end of the hair, put it in the latch, in the hole, and close the latch, and then pull it through. Thread a little tie, and voila, that's it, guys. So I'm gonna try that again.
Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
Guys, I wanted to show you how the hair looks when it's unraveling at the end. This is how this strand currently looks. For the time period that I've reused this hair, I probably threw away around 8 or 9 strands of hair that was unraveling. I could have actually fixed it, the ones that I threw away, but I already had hair that already had strands that I did not reuse, so that's the reason why I threw this away. So in the event if you guys purchase this hair, And this happens, you can always twist it out or put a rubber band at the end, you know, give it a little style or yada yada yada. But trust me, you know, this may not happen to you, because look at the other ends of the hair, they are still intact. This one is still good. This one is still good as well. So you definitely may not have any problem at all when reusing this hair. All finished with the install, so I'm basically just gonna clean it up a bit. Any flyaways or any excess hair sticking out, just gonna clip that away. And actually guys, since having this hair or since installing this hair, I haven't really do much clippings. So, you know, that's another plus as well. You don't really need to trim it up whenever you install. You just wash it and put it in and you're good to go. As it relates to oil or grease, I have never ever put any oil in this hair when installing or even after. Never ever, no oil. Yeah, none of, literally nothing. I've never put anything in this hair, and it's not, you know, look at it, the quality is so darn good. And when I'm washing it, I only use conditioner. That's it, nothing else. And another thing guys, look at the ends. I've never ever hot water this ever, so I don't even know if I put it in warm water, I'm not sure if it's gonna melt or something. Like, I've never ever done that. I probably would try it, but it doesn't really look, it looks straight enough. What do you guys think? How does it look? Does it look straight? Well, it's not that, you know, it does have some creases, but it doesn't look that bad. But it's looking great guys. Oh, I forgot to mention guys, as it relates to the weight, it is not lightweight at all. I'm not gonna say it's heavy, but yeah, it does hold a little, you know, it's manageable, I should say. But it's not light, it's not heavy, you know, it's in between. But trust me guys, this is, you know, this is a must get. If you guys are into crochet, you want to save money, you want a hair that you can reuse constantly, this is the go-to hair for me. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, like, send it to your friends and family. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.